Welcome to section 2.10. This is the 22nd session of the ISACA CISA exam prep series. In this session, we'll cover how enterprises measure and improve technology performance. We'll work through several questions. Why does technology performance need watching at all? What do the three key indicators tell you? How do you build a metric that actually works? What makes a performance improvement effort succeed? And what tools help you optimize and report? Why does this matter beyond the exam? Because leaders fund technology expecting to see a return. Picture a board that approved a costly platform 2 years ago. They want proof it is paying off. Without measurement, you are asking them to take it on faith. Good metrics turn that faith into evidence. And checking those metrics is squarely your role. So why does technology performance need watching at all? Because investment has raised the stakes and the expectations. Stakeholders need assurance that spending is aligned and managed. Monitoring keeps projects on the right path. It defines clear indicators and reports on them in time. Then it prompts quick action when something drifts. Each metric describes a quality that matters to the business, and each needs a baseline and a threshold for success or failure. What do the three key indicators tell you? They each answer a different question. A key performance indicator shows how well a process is doing. It points ahead to whether a goal is likely to be reached. Employee satisfaction with technology services is one example. A key risk indicator gives you an early warning. A rising number of phishing attempts signals growing threat. It usually carries a threshold that triggers an alert. A key control indicator shows how well a control is working. The share of assets compliant with security policy is one example. So performance, risk, and control each get their own gauge. How do you build a metric that actually works? Follow 4 steps. Identify the critical data points behind your objectives. Pick specific, measurable outputs from your processes. Set targets to score the results against. Then monitor and report to people who can act. A good metric has a few traits. Measure it consistently and base it on accepted practice. Make it useful for comparison and meaningful to its audience. And state it cleanly as a figure, a percentage, or a unit of measure. Cover the things that matter, from long-term goals to user satisfaction. What makes a performance improvement effort succeed? First, understand what optimization means. It improves efficiency while keeping service quality high, and it does so with minimal extra investment. Strong governance is what enables it. Senior leaders set goals tied to business objectives. Process owners set metrics aligned to those goals, and every layer of management monitors performance. Several success factors decide whether it works. Leadership support and clear defined goals. Decisions driven by data, not by gut feeling. Real involvement from the staff who know the processes. And a culture of continuous improvement, not a one-time push. What tools help you optimize and report? Start with a simple improvement loop. The plan, do, check, act cycle repeats in 4 steps. Plan the objectives and the process. Do it, often on a small scale first. Check the actual results against the targets. Act on the gaps, fixing the root causes. Then the loop runs again, sharper each time. Several established frameworks support this work. They give structured ways to align technology, manage risk, and run services. You do not need their inner details, just what each one is for. Are there other proven approaches? Yes, a handful you should recognize. Six Sigma is a data-driven method to cut defects. A defect is anything outside customer specifications. Agile delivers value in small, frequent increments. It prizes customer collaboration and adapting to change. Benchmarking compares your performance against peers. Business process re-engineering radically redesigns a process for big gains. Root cause analysis finds the true origin of a failure. And life cycle cost-benefit analysis weighs costs against outcomes over time. What about a balanced view of technology? That is what the Technology Balanced Scorecard gives you. It goes beyond pure financial measures. It looks at performance from 4 perspectives. User orientation captures how end users see technology. Business contribution captures the value of the investment. Operational excellence captures how well the process is run. Future orientation captures readiness for what is coming. Compare that with portfolio management. The scorecard operationalizes the strategy across these views. Portfolio management focuses on adjusting whole program investments. Together, they keep strategy and spending in balance. So let's bring it together. Monitoring proves technology investment is aligned and paying off. Performance, risk, and control indicators each tell a different story. A solid metric is consistent, comparable, and meaningful. Optimization succeeds on leadership, data, and continuous improvement. The improvement loop and proven frameworks give you the tools, and the balanced scorecard keeps all 4 perspectives in view. Hold this, and you can show technology earning its keep. The MCQs covering all the topics and concepts from this session are available on RooCloud.com. Practice the chapter-specific MCQs before moving on to the next session. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, post a comment below or email us. I will see you in the next session.